Hotels provide convenience through various services. Daily cleaning services ensure a tidy and comfortable stay. Room service offers easy access to meals and refreshments. Enhanced security measures provide a safe environment. These features contribute to a hassle-free travel experience. Airbnbs offer more space than standard hotel rooms. They also provide enhanced privacy for travelers. Many Airbnb rentals include a fully equipped kitchen. Travelers can save money by preparing their own meals. Hotels often provide amenities like gyms and swimming pools for guest convenience. Concierge services are a common feature in hotels, aiding guests with various needs. Airbnbs focus on offering a more authentic, local travel experience. Airbnb stays allow travelers to immerse themselves in the local community. This immersion provides a deeper understanding of the local culture and lifestyle. Choosing between hotels and Airbnbs depends on travel preferences.